Rhino are over in 𝐏𝐢𝐥𝐢𝐧𝐿. We're working on an extension project where we've encountered an unexpected issue, land drains, meaning we need to carefully pile around them. Initially we planned to pile due to poor ground conditions, however once work began, we discovered land drains running towards the rear of the property. Upon further inspection, it became clear that these drains would run right through the area of the new extension. In this first image, the discovery of the land drains running through the customer's foundations meant they interfered with the original piling plan. From this next image, you can see that we made the necessary adjustments to the layout. The pile originally positioned in the corner with the drain was relocated 1 metre away from the corner to avoid the drain. Additionally, an extra pile was introduced to the opposite side of the corner, also positioned 1 metre away from the corner. These changes ensure that the piles do not interfere with the drain while maintaining the structural integrity of the foundations. Here's the pre-dug footing with the land drains mapped in blue. The drain runs off into a stream at the bottom of our customer's garden. This drain carries a significant amount of water. Damaging it could cause major problems and cost a lot of money to fix. We now begin the piling process. We installed a total of 9 piles, which were 150mm in diameter. The piles come in 2 metre sections, which we weld together to drive them to the required depth. Once the piles are driven to the depth required, we cut them down, preparing them for the next step, cage installation. These are the steel ring beam cages, prefabricated at our yard to save time on site. We add spacers to ensure the concrete can fully cover all 4 sides of the cage. The cages are then dropped into the footing and cut to the required length if necessary. They are then tied together with steel reinforcement bars. From this drone shot, you can see all 9 piles installed along with 19 metres of caging. We're now ready for concrete. Given the limited access to the site, we're using a concrete pump to install a total of 4 cubic metres of concrete. We use a poker to ensure there are no air bubbles in the concrete, tamp it down and then use a laser level to confirm the correct depth. This entire job took just 3 days, including the time spent mapping out the drain. Here's a look at how the project started with the land drains mapped, and now with the fully installed piled foundation. We successfully installed the foundation while keeping the land drains fully functional and providing our client with a solid base for their future extension. If you're piling for an extension, new build or any type of foundation and are having issues with drains, land drains or culvert, contact Rhino Piling today and we'll get your project out of the ground just like our customer in 𝐏𝐢𝐥𝐢𝐧𝐿.